If you find yourself banned from Zomato, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why your account was banned by checking your email or notifications from Zomato. Knowing the specific reason will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This could include screenshots, order details, or communication with Zomato that may help clarify your situation. Step 3. Contact customer support. Visit the Zomato app or website and locate the customer support section. Use the provided contact methods such as email or chat to reach out to their support team regarding your ban. Step 4. Write a clear appeal. Compose a concise and polite appeal explaining your situation. Include your account details, the reason for the ban, and any evidence you gathered. Be honest and respectful in your communication. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up with customer support. Be patient and persistent, as it may take some time for them to review your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban on Zomato. Good luck, and hopefully your account will be reinstated soon.